mga guest natin. And before po ako magpakilala, let me show my slide po. Wait lang po. Ayan. So, okay na po. Ayan. Again, I'm Nida Maranon po from Cabuyao, Laguna. And 49 years old po, ginamit ko din po yung products para mag-lose ng weight but nagpakilala po muna ako before ng topic natin. No? So, ayan po, ginamit ko siya para mag-lose ng weight and after taking it correctly, consistently, and seriously, nag-lose po ako ng 20 incredible pounds and 4 inches around my waist. And mas naging energetic po ako, nawala yung mga discomforts, and now I'm using yung products po natin para sa healthy aging naman. So, by the way po, yung favorite ko po talaga and favorite ng lahat bukod sa Alo Tea and Shake. Gusto ko din pong sabihin lalo na po sa mga bago natin yung ating mga supplements napakaganda po para mas maganda po ang ating results. For extra protection po natin yung ating vitamins and minerals, NRG for mental alertness, and of course yung ating fiber and herbs para sa mga hindi mahilig kumain ng gulay dyan, and fiber band, yung ating active fiber complex, napakaganda po. Itry nyo po ito. And of course, yun pong ating probiotic. Although favorite namin po yung lahat ng ating mga supplements, but uh, introduce ko po lang sa inyo yung mga talagang top na ginagamit po namin. So, bukod po sa yung background ko nga po pala, I'm a realtor po, and part-time ko po yon before Herbalife. But ano po, yung full-time housewife, yun po. And ang hindi ko lang po gusto before, okay naman po ang income doon kasi part-time din po ako. Kaya lang po ay yung aking unhealthy po talagang aking lifestyle. Hindi ko po alam before na talagang yung about nutrition, yung about sa ating health na talagang kailangan pala kung ano yung ginawa natin sa health natin, sa katawan natin ngayon, kung hindi wala pa tayong sakit in time, talagang kung unhealthy, babawian daw tayo. So yun yung nakatatak sa akin kasi unhealthy yung lifestyle ko. Inayos ko po talaga. Natakot po ako na magkaroon ng sakit kasi hindi pa po naman ako nakaka-experience ng mga sakit-sakit. But lahi po kasi. So sabi 30% yung hereditary na talagang pwede kong siyang pwede ko siyang ma-encounter o magkaroon. So talagang in-embrace ko po sa Herbalife. Hindi po siya mahal, mas mahal po magkasakit. So, lalo na po sa ngayon, madali po magkasakit ng mga tao. So, kailangan malakas po yung ating immune system. So, dito po sa Herbalife, talagang ang lumawak po yung knowledge ko about sa nutrition, about health po talaga. And marami po pong, hindi lang physical yung nababago sa atin, yung mentally, spiritually, mas yung relationship natin kay Lord. So, we're getting better every day. Talagang dito kasi maraming personal development trainings. Kaya talagang yung pagiging member ko, inano ko po sa highest discount po. So, you ask your coach paano po mag 50%. So, ayun po, para po lahat ng perks makuha din nyo, lahat ng trainings. That's why I really love Herbalife. So, let's proceed po sa ating topic. So, ito pong carbs. Are all carbs bad? So, refined versus unrefined carbohydrates by Susan Bowerman, our Senior Director, Worldwide Nutrition Education and Training. So, sino po dito ang iniiwasan pa din ang carbohydrates ngayon? So, sabi po kasi ni Susan Bowerman, talagang ang carbohydrates, nagkaroon po siya ng hindi magandang reputation nitong mga nakaraang taon. Kadalasan kasi yung mga tao, inuugnay yung carbs with foods like yung white bread, pasta, and rice. In addition, yung mga sweetened yogurt and juices. So sa totoo lang, hindi po lahat ng carbs masama. However, kung yung pong carbs na yan na refined or na processed, pinino, yung pong marami pong sustansya ang nawawala kasi kaya hindi po talaga okay ang refined na carbohydrates. So, nagbigay po ng example si Susan Bowerman, ito pong whole grain wheat. So, ito po ay example ng refined. ah, na I mean, pag ni-refined, ito po ay nagiging white flour. So, yung starch in the middle, nag-stay po siya, but the process strips away or naalis po yung bran and germ. Yung pong bran and germ, part po siya ng whole grain kasi, wherein sa bran po, nandun po yung good source of fiber and vitamins. Then yung germs naman, nagko-contain po ito ng vitamins, minerals, and traces of good fat. So ito yung dahilan kung bakit mahalaga po talaga nating maunawaan, maintindihan ang pagkakaiba sa pagitan ng refined or processed at unprocessed na unrefined or unprocessed na carbs. So dito po, ito po naman ang ang carbohydrates. Si carbohydrates po pala, siya yung tumutulong sa atin, sa katawan natin para mag-function ng ayos ang katawan natin by serving as the primary fuel sa ating brains and sa ating red blood cells. So yung healthiest carbs are those found in an unrefined and natural state po. So with nothing removed, wala pong inalis. So, yun po yun. So, isipin po natin yung whole and unprocessed pag sinabing unrefined carbohydrates. So, yun po, tandaan nyo ha. Pag unrefined carbohydrates, good carbohydrates siya, simple carbohydrates. So, isipin lang po natin ulit. Whole and unprocessed. So, ito po yung mga sources naman niya. So, yung whole grain, beans, fruits, vegetables, at yung excellent sources ng fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. So, yun naman pong mga tao na nagfa-follow ng yung very low carb diets, such as yung nagkikito diet. So, delikado po kasi they're not getting enough dun sa mga nutrients na kailangan nila. Kasi kailangan nila dito ay more on fat kasi sila. Then doon naman sa ito pa may mga dinagdag pa si Susan Bowerman on how to get more of the good carbs. So, sabi niya to incorporate unrefined carbs into your diet. Look for foods in their natural state. So, kung fruit yan, fruit, wala kang dadagdag, walang ibabawas. Parang, yun lang yun. Basta natural state siya. So, if you're preparing naman ng any fruits, vegetables, or even potatoes for a meal, preserve the skin whenever possible. So, make sure lang po na talagang nahugasan bago natin kainin kasi talagang yung skin nandun po yung fiber nito. As you introduce naman dun sa whole grain flours, pasta and brown rice to your diet, you may need to adjust to slightly different taste and textures kasi iba po talaga yung lasa nito. So, although sa umpisa lang po naman yung masasanay lang na din kayo, but it's all well worth it. In addition to providing more nutrients, these foods are generally more filling. Mas busog po tayo dito than their refined counterparts because of extra fiber nga. So, yung lasa, tandaan nyo yung lasa ng iba, hindi tayo masasanay din kayo dito. And of course, uh, eto pa, how to cut back on processed carbs. So, sino po yung mga may favorite pa rin dito? So, sabi naman ni Susan Bowerman, kailangan natin to para ma-maintain natin yung healthy diet natin. Kasi yung aim natin is to reduce your intake of refined and processed carbs. So, pwede naman po pa unti-unti ito or tikim-tikim lang. But especially for mga nag-uumpisa, make sure na you stick to your program talaga. And ayan, when looking for a healthy bread, sabi ni Susan Bowerman, uh, try natin na i-avoid talaga yung white bread and pay close attention to the wheat bread options in front of you. So may mga manufacturers kasi, tingnan nyo po yung labels kung nakalagay multi-grain. Pero i-check nyo pa rin yung mga list of ingredients para talagang yung grain, kung sigurado kayong yung grain ay whole grain talaga and not refined. So with whole wheat bread, sabi niya, look for 100% whole wheat on the front and 100% whole wheat flour in ingredients. So the word whole, tandaan nyo, the word whole is key. It is just it is just says wheat flour, for example, yung wheat flour nakalagay. So, hindi to talaga, more likely refined to. So, processed siya. So, make sure meron siyang whole wheat na nakalagay, whole wheat bread. And sa pasta naman, so like bread, when shopping for flour, pasta, or rice, it's best to search for whole grain products like whole wheat flour, whole grain pasta, and brown rice. Otherwise, pag pinili nyo itong nasa baba, kasi mapapansin nyo yung nasa taas, ito yung mga healthy. Ito yung nasa baba ay na-process na. So, pag na-process na, nawala na yung gran and germ. So, nawala na din yung mga vitamins and minerals, yung folate, nawala na din yung mga vitamin B. So, dapat piliin natin itong nasa taas. No? Ito yung mga good carbohydrates or ito yung unrefined. Hindi siya na-process. So, sa fruit juices naman, kailangan kasi yung fruit juices natin, pagka naging fruit juice na nga siya, so na-remove na yung skin and na-remove na din yung mga natural fiber and phytonutrients. So, sabi ni Susan Bowerman, always go for the whole fruit versus juice or unsweetened applesauce if you want to maximize yung health benefits. So, whole fruit pa din tayo. Pero, sabi nga, dapat maintindihan natin kasi yung fruit juice is much less filling. So, hindi tayo mas busog dito than the whole fruit. But etong mga fruit juices na to, more calories per serving siya. So, kung nasa program, again, much better no, you go on natural fruit talaga. Fruit. Kung gusto niya naman ay mamaya makikita niyo kung ano yung pwede natin swap. So, getting the most from your carbs. So, ito yung may mga binigay na tricks si Susan Bowerman para magkaroon ng transition from refined to unrefined carbohydrates, no? So, dito, sabi niya sa trick number 1 natin, try introduce new whole grains into everyday meals. Instead of white rice, why not na switch natin to sa brown rice, quinoa, or millet. So, kahit pa anong klaseng white rice yan, kung masasarap na white rice yan, so, mataas po yung sugar niyan. So, nawala po yung mga fibers niyan. So, much better we choose dito po sa ating brown rice, quinoa, or millet. So, again, yung lasa, masasanay din po kayo dyan. Ganyan din po ako nung una. And of course, sa trick number 2 natin, instead of refined white bread, crackers, cereals, snacks, foods, try 100% whole grain versus versions instead. Kasi nandito nga yung lahat ng fibers, no? Marami itong benefit. So, iwasan natin ang mga refined na pagkain dahil wala nang benefits talaga itong mga white bread. Wala nang benefits sa ating health. So, switch natin dito sa ating 100% whole grain. And of course, trick number 3, so para maawat daw tayo, or mapigilan from juices and stay hydrated, try having sparkling water with a few chunks of whole fruit, again, whole fruit or vegetables added. You'll learn to enjoy the flavors of fresh whole foods in a refreshing low-calorie beverage. So, para maawat talaga kayo, etong gawin nyo. Kasi minsan hindi talaga masarap kung pure water lang ang iinumin nyo. And ito pa na i-add natin, itong herbal aloe concentrate natin, di ba, na nandinig nyo kanina kung gaano kaganda yung ating aloe it supports optimum nutrient absorption talaga. Marami po siyang flavor, so talaga may enjoy niyo yung inyong water. So, adding it into your breakfast, keep your body refreshed. It also has a low calorie and has no artificial flavor. So, low sugar din siya. So, hindi na process. So, and ayan, panoodin natin tong video na to.
We don't always examine what we eat every day. We may not realize our food choices could be hurting our health. I'm Dr. Luigi Grodin, here to share the power of good nutrition and show you how simple choices can make you healthier. It all starts with having balanced nutrition. Essentially, that means 40% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 30% healthy fats. Don't forget to add in fiber and stay hydrated. Carbohydrates are your body's preferred source of fuel, and many of them are packed with nutrients. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and dairy products are the best sources of carbs. Protein supports your immune system and helps build and maintain lean muscles. You can get protein from meats, fish, poultry, eggs, soybeans, quinoa, and peas. Fats are essential too. Avoid the unhealthy saturated kind and go for that fat that'll protect your heart. You can find healthy fats in salmon, avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Remember, good nutrition is a choice. Choose Herbalife Nutrition.
So, ayan, sabi ni Dr. Luigi Graton, it's all about balanced nutrition talaga. So, hindi natin dapat iwasan yung carbs. Kaya lang we need to choose yung healthy carbs natin. So hindi balance pag wala tayong carbs, no? Kulang kasi sabi din ni Dr. Luigi Graton, nakita niyo sa video, it's 40% carbs, good carbs. So ayan, tapos na po tayo. I hope madami po pa kayong takeaways. Ngayon, hindi na tayo matatakot sa carbs na i-add natin sa ating meal plan, sa ating mga kakainin. So back to you, Coach Chow.